Hello there friends. In this video you will learn how to apply for a freelancer or virtual assistant job from Upwork.com. If you guys seeing new my video, please subscribe my channel not to miss my next videos. Dear friends, please follow with me step by step. You will learn how to apply for Upwork.com and how you will get jobs, how you will sign up. Please follow. Dear friend, it is the easiest way. You sitting at home and you earning money online from internet. So please don't lose any time. Follow with me, and if you have account, please follow the instruction with me. If you don't have any account, please directly open an account and apply. Just from today you should start earning money online. There is no need to wait. Dear friends, before I gonna to sign up a account in Upwork.com, I wanted to say you first, please you have to make sure which skills you have and write all of them in a piece of paper according to your own skill. You should enter the website and you should select your own field. Before signing up, just first we should check here, see all categories. I wanted to show you something. You should see here how many job opportunities available here for which section. First you should check all here, you see. So for all of them is available thousands of job daily, from accounting, sales, customer service, admin support, design, writing, translation, legal, engineering, architecture, data science, IT and networking, web, mobile and software development. So many jobs available. First you have to make sure what is your skill according to your own profession. You have to choose here. Now I'm gonna to sign up an account for you to show you how you will make an account first, how to apply for this, because many people applying but they're not getting any result. The problem, they're not selecting according to their own profession. So please follow with me step by step. At the beginning here giving us two options. One, you have to sign up with your Gmail, or you will sign up with your email. Both is available. So I'm gonna to sign up with my email directly. Sign up. And you should know that the easiest way of making money just working as freelancer, and more comfortable working from your home. You're just at home. You don't need to even leave your home's comfort. You starting at your home, continuing to work. So now I'm writing names, last name. I'm making name of my channel. So password. Country you have to choose here. So here asking from us, you wanted to hire for a project or work as a freelancer. So I'm selecting here work as a freelancer. Username I have to have here, a username I select here, continuing. Now they are sending us an email confirmation. After confirmation there is 11 other process given to us. We have to 11 steps we have to go to continue until we will be eligible for applying a freelance job in this website. Now they gave us here 10 steps. Step one by one we are gonna to fill it, and I will explain. Number one, they ask from us, tell us about the work you do. So you coming here, you selecting first your skills is matching which categories according to your own category. You have to select here. I am selecting here sales and marketing. Again here they asking us from here. They giving us 4 option. We have right to select 4 option, not more than 4 option. Again, related sales and marketing. So sales and marketing lead, like example, lead is indeed providing new customers, email, phone number. These things is called lead generation. Lead, email marketing, market and customer research, and market strategy. This 4 I had only right. I selected. Now they asking from us here, what's your skills? You have to enter your skills here. Then you have right. Just you first 3 or 4 words you have right. Automatics, the others coming, we will choose. Then next. Here they asking from us, we are new, intermediate or expert. Intermediate is mostly between 2 or 5 years. Those are working calling intermediate, and over 5 years who had worked calling expert. So I'm selecting expert and continue. Now you have to here fill your education background. What is your education? Your school, university, all you have to fill here. After here, save. F2, 3, F1 you can save. If you want to add all of them, add, save and add more. Save and add more. You will continue from here. Now they asking from us experience. What's your experience? So one by one, wherever you work, you can enter here. That much you have worked, that much you have achievement, you will, that much project you worked, all you can write here. After here at step number 5 asking from us our language, which language you can talk and what is your native language. English is your native language, you selecting here. If not, what is another 3 option given for us: basic, conversational, and fluent. So it belongs to you according your ability. You choosing here. After that, selecting another. What is your native language? You selecting your native language. If you know more language, you adding more. And again, they asking from you 4 option from here. What is your ability and what is your native? According that, you choosing the language. After that, they asking from us hourly rate. One thing else I wanted to say for you, from this service Upwork.com, which providing for freelancers 20% taking commission. Like example, if per hours you asking $50, so your share will be $40 because 20% of them is asking by or getting by Upwork.com. Like example, per hour cost, I'm writing here $50. Then automatic coming to for us here $40. The estimate amount you will receive after service fees, because $10 they almost asked as a service fees from us. Here asking from us to describe your overview. You have to for your professions, your skills which you almost select, you make a professional overview, a strong, because no one's seeing you. It is something indeed distance job. What's seeing in your profile, according to your profile, people selecting you, companies, organizations selecting you. So be careful, write very academic, write very strong. After finished here, if you don't have any information about here, you click here, browse profile. They giving you some examples. Another tab opening. I have another page. So here you coming according again according your own professions, you selecting here. So new people you seeing, new people profile seeing, you will see, you will understand what they wrote, what they how yeah did. You don't have to copy from them, but at least you will get an idea. Like example, I'm clicking here, you're seeing here different people's coming, so you can learn from them how they did, what how they wrote, and just get idea from here. So again we coming uh, to continue to make sign up an account. So another step asking from us profile picture. Without profile picture, this website is not processing your account. You have to enter your own profile picture, your own picture. After that, address asking. The addresses, don't worry about it, just write your address, because this with no one will share. After processing address, you will enter your phone number. So I'm writing address. So after entering your telephone number, this sign up process is finished. After this, here to submit your profile. So after submitting our profile, after finishing the profile, and now we are coming to find a job, how we can find a job and how we should apply for that. So here we clicking the new feeds coming, but the jobs which they offering us, they recommending for us is regarding our skills coming, not any others different fields. You cannot see any different jobs opposite of your field. These are the jobs. Many jobs available, different kind of jobs. So we wanted to choose one of them: long-term music promoter, eBay experience seller, market French email content or creator, lead list for mobile app developer. Let's choose this one. It's opening. This project time is less than 1 month. It's good, but expert level, I'm willing to pay a higher rate for the most experienced freelancers. So here mostly who is hiring, they looking for the most experienced one. Just 8 hours before this job posted here, and we seeing which skills they asking for this: email marketing, direct marketing, B2Bs, and a startup business. You should have experience about these all. After this, if you're suitable, it's from Pakistan. So the payment method is not verified yet. From here, you posting proposal. After posting proposal, they asking few questions from you. First, your rate is coming. You almost was at your profile. If you remember, we mentioned per hours. So if you wanna change, you can change also the prices. If it's okay, it's okay. Then we continue. Here they asking a cover letter from you, and also asking questions related this description. Is it enough or not? If you have any other supportive documents to application which helping you to get this project, you can come here, upload your file here, not resume, because almost you wrote your resume summary here at profile, so you don't need to send your CV or resume. After that, you submitting here. After submitting, so it is finished. You will be waiting for a response for reaction from your client. So this was the full guidance about Upwork.com, how to apply for a job step by step. Please follow with us. If you have any question related opening account, applying for job, please write me in comments. We will be happy to assist you.